baby kitten and a mommy kitten.
Okay.
And a bunny rabbit, and a bunny, and a bird, and a cat, and a hamster, and a dog.
Yeah. These are all pets that we have in our house.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more pets. So what are they?
I got lots of cats.
Yeah, lots of cats.
Tortoise. Mouse. Mouse. Hamster. Fish.
How many fish are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, good job. Okay, this one is a guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
It looks like a hamster, but it's not.
And boy.
Yeah.
And that's a cat, that's a dog, that's a cat, that's a cat, that's a dog, that's a dog.
All right.
They're boy cats and they're boy dogs.
Okay.
And
These are African.
They want one the dash, and another dash, and another dash, and another dash.
Okay, so how many giraffes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good job. Okay, what's next?
5. Rhino, and tiger, and the zebra. The zebra, and the zebra, 2 the zebras, 4 the zebras.
Yeah, good job.
1 the zebra, 2 the zebra, 3 the zebra.
Oh, you're right. Okay.
And there's ostriches,
Yeah.
and a camel,
Mm-hmm.
and what is it then?
That's a gazelle.
Oh, gazelle, and tiger. There's 2 of these.
Actually, this one's a leopard
Leopard and leopard.
and a cheetah.
And cheetah.
They look a lot alike,
and
don't
lion,
Yeah.
and how many are these?
they? They're meerkats.
2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Yeah, it's the mommy and the daddy. And then 5 babies. So it all equals 7. Okay, in the jungle.
And muddy, it go like this. Hoo-hoo, ha-ha. Then it just shut then do this.
It totally does.
Yeah, just your elbows away. And